So hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to download fnaf2. First, you have to go to vitadb. Wait for load. Yeah, and you must go to original games and just find it here. Yeah, you have like 5 nights of Freddy, like have Freddy games, have many games that you can play. Yeah, here's the Friday Night and Freddy game and F2. So yeah, if you want to download any FNAF games, can come to vitadb and download it. I'm going to teach you how to download vitadb. First, you must go to Vida Deploy. And go to app downloader, and you have vitadb downloader. I already have done installed. So yeah, that's how you download it, and that's all for the video. Bye. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and all, and I will and inside that you can also download Flappy Bird and few other games and tic-tac-toe and a lot. And you also can download emulators, but it's better use a computer because don't have all the datas in it. Yeah, so that's all for the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.